Hello and welcome back to our live reaction for Tensei Shitara Slime Data Ken or Slime, just Slime, Season 2, Episode 1 or Episode 25, apparently.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm X Creek and that's Azalfan.
Hello.
Alright, so yeah, it's only the two of us because Hells decided not to watch this. I forgot what his reason was. I don't know. All right then, let's begin in three, two, one, go. Also, I actually forgot. Um, have I uploaded our live reaction for the last episode of the last season?
Mm, I don't know.
Because I remember at that time we got like some copyright strikes because of slime. So I
Yeah.
think I did not upload the last episode. I think I still have the file though,
Hmm.
but I don't know. I just don't feel like it.
I like how Rimuru have that hat. Looks like Koro Sensei. Blue Koro Sensei.
Oh yeah.
Uh,
Wait, hang on a minute. Didn't he already left them?
yeah, I thought he already left. What?
Yeah.
Is this like return the
Maybe
time a
some.
bit, or he just came back?
I don't know. Maybe like a flashback, like before he
Before he
go
left.
away. Yeah, because he did say like he was going away. I think. Oh no, he's just going away for a bit. A lot of sleeping, you man. Hmm. Have we seen this person before?
I
I
think
don't think
so.
so. Did we? I don't know. Whatever.
Maybe or maybe not.
Look, it's been a while.
Yeah.
We didn't really watch the last season again, but so so we're just going by memory, which means we don't remember
Nabaru is just
anything.
one of the teacher basically. It's not that
Yeah.
important. Yo, I think damn, look at Ranga. Like
Ooh.
the fur and everything.
Yeah.
It's improved. He's even more
So I guess
menacing.
he did come back to that place because now he
Okay.
can just teleport around.
Okay. Don't forget, this is Civilization uh medieval fantasy version.
Mm-hmm. Well, thank you for for this. Although I still remember this part, of course.
Yeah,
Uh,
can you refresh every arc that have been
yeah,
going on?
I don't know if they will do that. They will probably do that. I don't know. Maybe.
No, probably it's just introduction to her
Well, yeah,
to
but
his
the important stuff like this one, I still remember, of course.
yeah, this is literally the first episode and the introduction of him as a slime. So
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
yeah, the
Sarks with the
goblins.
goblins, and then you gave them names, and then they became
Yeah, and then
a bit more
yeah, and then
stronger
the
goblins, and
ogres.
then the
Ogre came,
Onis.
and then wait, was it Oni or ogre? I forgot.
I think they're Onis, but like usually the Onis are
And
translated
yeah,
as
the orc
ogres, but they're
and
not.
lizard man Gabiru. And Sizu is
And she's
dead.
dead. She's dead.
Yep. And he can turn into human. And wait, I think we skip a few arc in between, like
Well, yeah,
the
they
Milim
skipped
arc. Where?
the whole Orc King thing, but I don't think those are really that important.
No, in between the orc and the kids, there was one arc, right? Where Milim
I
introduced,
Oh yeah,
and
I
we
think
fought
so.
like that big
It's
whale
fine.
thing or something.
It's fine.
Like I said, like Milim, she's not important.
Yeah, yeah. They just didn't say anything about her, even though she's like one of the strongest character.
Yeah. All right, opening. Okay, I'm starting to remember what happened a bit. Gupta! Oh my god, I forgot! Gupta!
How do you even forget about
Best,
him?
best bro, best side, the sidekick. Yes, Gupta, the legendary. Okay, let's see. If we got some characters. I think this one is new. Hey,
Mm-hmm.
Millie. Yep, and
No, those three
oh
are
yeah,
not
this
new. Those are
three.
like the adventurers who.
Yeah, this is the adventure from the
Yeah.
first time, and then the kids.
Okay, some of those new ones.
Uh huh.
Some of those characters might be new after the adventurers. I mean, this one is this new?
I think.
Hmm.
Wait,
She new. These
I
are
think
not
she's
new.
new.
So.
Yeah, it's just the underling, right?
Yeah.
Of the which demon lord? I
I
forgot the
forgot the
demon lord's
name.
name already.
Oh, him? I think.
No, it's a different one.
Huh.
This one is uh from when Milim yeah when Milim introduced, I think.
Ah. Okay. Why does all of those have eyes? Oh, okay. So
Not
he
bad.
can, so he can just hide there.
I think so.
Okay, hide.
Wait, wait.
That's
Did I
what?
just saw Chun Li's costume back
Wait,
there?
really?
Like it's a blue Chinese outfit with
Definitely. Wait.
to
Hang on a
what
minute.
what's it
What?
called? Um,
This is a bit too fancy, isn't it?
mm, okay, do you want
Okay.
to go by gender or just genderless? I don't know.
Well, he like Rimuru is a slime, so it doesn't
Yeah,
really
he
matter
is
much.
genderless, but
Yeah, and
the
like
outfit
the
you have
body
to choose the
itself is
outfit.
like kinda androgynous, right?
Yeah. Hmm.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's good enough, I think, the outfit.
I think Gobzo needs some other name because he doesn't look like he evolved.
That's it.
Yay!
Uh,
A bit too short, yes.
Gupta is just.
Hmm. Uh, okay. Why do you even need to confirm if it's safe or not? Rimuru is the strongest one here.
Well, remember, he's still not as strong as the Demon Lord.
Well, I guess. But if Rimuru can't even fight them, I don't think he can fight them.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't know if it will be that easy.
Yeah. Well, or maybe it will be. I don't know.
It will be, yeah.
Like their small town doesn't even have a wall. Although I guess they don't need a wall because who's going to attack them? Orcs? They live there.
Yeah.
Goblins? They live there. Bandits? They would be crazy to attack this town. Maybe another kingdom, but I
Yeah.
don't think they
Yeah,
they
at this
want
point,
to.
the only one that could attack them is another nation. Yeah.
Yeah, but I
Yes.
think the other nations know about Rimuru, so I don't think they would even try.
For now, I guess. And yeah, we got this guy.
It's fine. Oh, yeah, where's Milim?
Even there, oh, it's the Dryad.
Yeah, hello. Hmm? Uh-oh. Uh?
What?
You don't look bad. Oh, you do. You do look
No,
bad. Oh,
nope,
Jesus.
nope, just nope, nope. It's
Oh,
a nope right
Jesus.
there. All right.
Well, it's not strong, at least.
Oh, okay. So make
Ah.
them took the credit.
So Rimuru just
Ah,
tell
okay.
just tell
So,
people like,
oh
yeah,
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 yeah.
these guys are the
Those guys
ones.
defeated them.
Yeah.
All right, that's
Okay.
great. That's
That's
good.
really
Just
good
promote.
marketing.
Yeah, yeah. Marketing stonks.
I forgot about that guy. Who's that?
Yeah. Well, you already did.
Well, I don't think he'll kill them, but Oh, well,
How did
Gota's
that even
dead.
happen? Okay, and Rimuru still visit them from time to time. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Rimuru enjoys being under there.
Well, who doesn't?
It's why is that the shape of Rimuru?
Ah.
Hi.
It's
Well,
fine.
if it
They
works,
already know one of them.
yeah.
Where is she anyway?
Just I don't know, just doing her own business,
Yeah.
maybe.
Well, that depends on the delegates.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Mm.
well, it didn't sober that guy up.
Yeah. The next day. So they show up. Okay, they show up.
Mm-hmm.
Yo,
Ooh,
yo, what the hell is that?
like a tiger. Yep, there you go. Tiger drawn. Yeah.
Well, it looks cool at least.
They definitely. Well.
Uh,
Hmm.
Biscuiteers. Well, that's good, right?
Oh.
Oh, hello.
Okay.
Uh,
Well.
mm,
yeah. Even though he's a slime now, he used to be human. Uh, oh. Yeah. You said we're supposed to play nice. They didn't start attacking though. They just shit talk. I don't know.
well,
Can he win?
provoking, I
Can
guess.
you win?
Oh
oh
no.
no. well, okay, let's see. Are you sure you can fight her though? Like no one here knows how strong she is, right? What if she's very strong? Uh-oh.
Oh.
Never mind then. Okay, now this might be
Okay, this
a
might
better
be
fight, yeah.
better. This is non-human versus non-human.
Yeah.
Oh, ooh. Okay. Barehanded, are we? Yo.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I don't think that guy can beat this girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, nope.
So yeah, it's a good thing he doesn't need to fight then.
Ooh.
Do you have to?
Yeah, it's like, well, might as well.
Might as well have someone fight
Has
someone.
some fun. Yeah, I guess in a way this is more like a show of sparring than an
Yeah,
actual fight.
basically.
Like exchange a few blows.
Wait, you send him to fight without knowing how strong he is?
And they also could probably kill them all. I don't know. Oh, careful.
Oh, I forgot about that bald dwarf with the funny look on his face. Yeah, you started this. It's not even them. They did
Well,
say some
they just shit
stuff.
talk basically.
Yeah, but they didn't really start the fight.
It's like, oh well, this is how it goes in this age.
Also, where the hell is William?
Yeah,
There, on the
where
top
are
of the
you?
screen. I'm going to slap you.
Well,
She did not appear in the episode.
I forgot. Where did she go in the last season?
I forgot
Yeah, I
too. I
actually
don't
forgot.
know.
She probably left. I think at some point she kind of left for a
Yeah,
bit.
I think so. I think she left, but where to? I don't
Minding
remember.
her own business, probably.
Also, I remember it being a huge thing that Rimura has to go back to his town, and then in within one episode, he just went back there again. And hey, kids, I'm teaching here again. I can teleport now. Did that happen in like the OVA or something? Maybe we did. I think we missed like some OVAs.
Maybe, but I don't
Did
know
we?
if the OVA is. Usually, OVA isn't like really connected to
Yeah,
the main
OVAs usually
story,
are
right?
just like,
Usually, it's just a side story or whatever.
yeah.
All right. Right with the
Well,
enemy.
I guess
Okay, so
the
I assume it
it went
all went
well.
well. I guess.
Well, at least well enough that they
Well
can
enough.
start
Yeah.
trading. All right
Probably.
then. Yeah. All right. That was Slime episode 25. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Bye.